Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can add Discord link to TikTok. So if you want to share your Discord server or TikTok but can add a clickable link, in this tutorial I'll show you how you can add it to your TikTok bio. So first, let's just copy the link from Discord. You can just open the Discord applications on your device. Now just find a server that you want to share. For example, I'm going to just go with my server in general is in here. You can tap on this channel or server and then tap on invite members. Now just click on share link, copy it. Now let's just launch the TikTok application. So before you add the link to your TikTok bio, you need to switch your TikTok account type. If you are on personal, you need to switch it into business. So what you need to do is just go to your profile and tap on the menu at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy, click on account. And now here you can see this option, switch to business account. So just click on that option. Tap on next, and here choose your business category. For example, I'm going to just go with personal blog. Tap on next again, and you can add your email, but I'm going to just skip it. And here now you are on the business account on TikTok. So let's just add the link. So what you need to do is just click on this edit profile. And here under the about you section, there will be this links option. So what you need to do is just click on the links, and here you can see this option, website. Just tap on add. Now in here you need to register your business account if you want to add links. So let's just tap on get started. Okay, agree and get started again. Now you can just fill in this form, your basic information, the legal business name, country or region, address or province or state. So if you already fill in all of that, you can easily copy the link on the website in here. And so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks button below. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye.